Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about variables with file. Before that, I am making a lot of videos related to DevOps and tools which is related to Kubernetes, Jenkins, Docker, Ansible, Terraform kind of things. So, which I am making a lot of videos. I am taking with this some effort. I hope this videos all you will like and it is useful for you. So if you find these videos are useful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow and share to your friends. That will encourage me to make a lot of videos with this DevOps. So when it comes to this topic, so we are going to see with the variables with the files. So how can we use variables with the files? So for that, I have a script. So here you can see that there is a main file. So in this main file, I have two resources. One is a security group and another one is a EC2 instance. So and provider file, and then I have the variables file. There are the few variables which I'm going to use here. But when it comes to the main file, you can see that under the AWS instance, there is a key called user data. So here I have mentioned user data is equal to file inside some script. So here I am using the file which is apache-install.sh where I'm going to use this one. So here usually we will use with the user data when you create a EC2 instance. Instead of that, we are going to use with the script here. And this script we are going to use it as a variable here, so you can change this whatever you require, but here we are going to use with this like this. When you give a Terraform plan, usually it will use this script to generate your EC2 instance. So by that way it will going to install the Apache as well. So once you give Terraform plan, you can see that under the user data there is some value, so which is our script which is going to execute. Like this you can use the variables with the file. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.